Hi everyone, it's Lori and welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing well today. So today we are going to do a flip through of this little Valentine journal I decided to make last minute. She is completed, so we will go ahead and get into the flip through. So I just used a piece of red sari silk as the closure. Alright, so here's our cover, and if you guys will remember, this is a cover that I actually made in one of Rachel at Roxy Creations, Roxy's Weekly Challenge. It is a Reader's Digest, and it was already read, so I just took on the spine and put this crocheted lace there. It is 2 signatures, and they are sewn in. And then on the front here, we just have some ruffled fabric at the top and at the bottom, and then this right here is one of the padded hearts from the Padded Heart Company. And what I think is cute is there is a little pocket here with a couple of little tags in there. And then this wooden heart and the wooden word love, we actually colored it together and put it on there. And I think I have some quilt back here. I actually think that is a vintage quilt. And then just some fabric with script on it. So, as you can see, we have all this fun stuff at the top. So, for this is just the little clothespin heart. Cut out a piece of the paper from the kit, and then we glued it on there and just went over it with some glossy accents. Alright, so it's a page from the kit. We've got lots of avocado dyed in here. We got a red heart dolly there. And then this is, I think that was coffee dyed. And then we made this little sack here. And we have a little tag inside that bag there. It's a page from the kit. It's a really pretty kit. And then this right here was just a page from a book that I had that I disassembled. And then this is just a piece of pink copy paper, and I sewed around it. And on it we have a heart paper clip and just a little envelope here and a journaling card inside. So we just have that over there. I'm getting all fumbly fingers now. Okay, come on. Okay, there we go. And then this is another page from the kit. And I did go, since the last video, I know I told you guys that I would let you guys know if I did anything and what I did during the flip through. I did go through, as you can see here, and put some of this red lace on the edge of some pages. Did put a little decoration on this sack. And in this sack, we have just a envelope here that I made. I think that was another one of Rachel's challenges there, and that's just made out of a piece of paper from a floral book. Put that there, and then just put that little rose there. Then we have this red paper here that looks like it's got sparkles on it in that side pocket there. This is one of the vintage Valentines that my sister had gifted me. This was in that pack as well. Some coffee dyed lace. And then we just put this little snippet up here, Life is Sweet. Again, avocado dyed and stitched around it. It is very messy stitching in this, guys. So, and then another piece of lace there. Avocado dyed dolly. And the avocado dyed dolly with this here graphed papers from Denise at Wonderbar Crafts. And then here we have avocado dyed envelope, and in it, this was some of the ephemera from the kit. So we just made this flap into a pocket. And then in here, I'll show you this one, but not the rest. But you've just got all kinds of vintage Valentine cards in here. And that's in every one of these, so there's 4 total. and then I just put that there. This is some lace coffee dyed, another one of those sheets, and this is the middle of the signature. And then for this sheet, because it was a little bit too long, I didn't want to cut it off, I just folded it over. So we just took one of the tags that we made and holding it there with one of those pink heart paper clips. It's the other envelope, the other side. I did put this on there, and in here we just have a little tag, and again we have goodies inside. And this is a pretty kit too. Some more avocado dyed paper and dolly, and then another piece of that red lace. And then here we have a pocket here with a tag there that has not been embellished. And then we have our tag up here in this back pocket. And that is on coffee dyed with lace. And there's that. This paper is so pretty. I wish I could remember where I got that from. And then the other side of the bag, I did not open it up. It is still closed, but if someone decides they want this journal, then they can easily cut that open. I placed this here and this on this side, but you still have plenty of room to open up this bag if you wanted to and not compromise those. Got some more lace here. We have a little pocket here. This was in the kit. And then these two journaling cards. And then this right here is actually one of the vintage Valentines. So I just used a little element from the kit to hold it closed. We've got it in that pocket with those. That pink paper that's been sewn around. Other side of that from the book. And then we have a pocket here from the kit that we decorated up a little bit with a little tag in there. The other side of that red dolly and some avocado dyed paper. And that is the end of the first signature. On to the second signature. It's a really pretty page from the kit. We have some avocado dyed. Another one of those red dollies. Some coffee dye that's been stitched around. We have another one of those sacks that we decorated with a card. It has the butterflies and flowers from Claudia over at Timeless Crochet for You. This is so pretty. I love that one. And these pages on the edge, I did tear them. I did not cut them with a cutter. Another page from that book. And then over here on this pink paper that has been sewn around, we have another one of these from the kit, an envelope with a little journaling card in there. And it is just over the side with a paper clip. With a paper clip, she says. There we go. And then we have some more of that red lace there. And then in here we have the, this is another thing that I made in the Rachel at Roxy Creations. Sorry guys, I'm like out of it right now. Weekly challenge, and it has stamps in it. Pink and red stamps. So it is in there, and I just put a little embellishment there. Is there something in this one? Yeah, I showed you. Okay, couldn't remember 2 seconds ago. Put this little thing here, and then there's that red paper, and that lace coffee dyed paper. This is also a little pocket that I had made on Rachel's challenge, and in here, oh, are we stuck? Oh yeah, we're stuck. We can get us unstuck. There is a avocado lace dyed little tag, unembellished, so you can do whatever you want to with it. And again, those were from Denise at Wonderbar Crafts, so definitely make sure to go and check her out. And That's that paper. This is a little cluster that I had in my stash. I tried to pull some things from it. And another page from the kit, and some of that red lace. Avocado dyed dolly. Avocado dyed graphed paper. Another page. This is like the scene that we cut out for this. Super cute. Another of the avocado dyed envelopes. Just a few pieces of ephemera in there. And again, some of those vintage Valentine cards in there. I put this here. Lace coffee dyed. Their page from that book. And then this one has a tag there held together again with that heart paper clip. I put this here on the other side of the envelope, and in here we have a journaling card and a tag. It's a page from the kit. It's a song, Rose from You. Some avocado dyed paper, avocado dyed dolly, some more of that red lace. This is a pocket from the kit with a piece of ephemera, and this is another, this way, another one of the vintage Valentine cards. This is how many new words can you find in the Skywriter's Valentine. And so the heart is embellishment from the kit that we used to keep that closed. Another side pocket tucky there with a large tag in there that can be journaled on the back. And that is on lace coffee dyed. Another one of these little sheets. The other side of that bag, and again I did not open it up. Some more of that lace. Another little cluster. If you guys remember the cluster I put on upside down, and luckily we noticed it in time. We could get it right back up. Another page. This is a pocket from the kit and a little tag also from the kit. That red heart, avocado dyed, and then that's the last one. And then this is just let's see, this was also made in one of Rachel's. I didn't put anything in there. I will put something in there, probably some more of the vintage Valentine cards. But yeah, that just wraps around and ties here. And it just sits in the bag here. And then that's the bag. So that is it, guys. That is our Valentine journal. First one I've ever made. If anyone, I am not going to just list this in my shop. If anyone is interested, please send me a message through my Etsy store. The link will be down below in the description box. And if you decide you want it, then I'll just put it in as a custom order. Yeah, I just have, like right now, really, in my opinion, too many journals sitting over there that haven't sold. So I didn't want to end up paying the fees and putting something else in there that wasn't going to sell. So yeah, if you're interested, just send me a message and let me know. I appreciate your support. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.